The screen opens with a twinkling starry sky, and the familiar theme music of Tom and Jerry plays. A spaceship zooms across the screen, leaving a trail of stardust. Inside the ship, Tom is at the controls, wearing a tiny astronaut helmet, while Jerry is lounging in a mini spacesuit, munching on a piece of cheese. "Here we go again," Tom says, grinning mischievously. Jerry rolls his eyes but can't help smiling. The two unlikely companions are back for another cosmic adventure. And this time, the universe has even more surprises in store for them. Chapter 1: The Wacky Alien Encounter. Tom and Jerry's spaceship lands on a strange, colorful planet called Zog-Zog. The planet is filled with bouncing hills, floating trees, and glowing flowers. They're greeted by a group of wacky aliens with 3 eyes, 4 arms, and antennae that light up like disco balls. The aliens speak in a language that sounds like a mix of squeaks and beeps. Tom tries to communicate by mimicking their sounds, but Jerry just laughs and pulls out a universal translator. It turns out the aliens are throwing a party and want Tom and Jerry to join. At the party, Tom accidentally steps on a glowing flower, which causes the ground to shake. The aliens panic. It turns out the flower is part of a delicate ecosystem, and now the planet's gravity is going haywire. Tom and Jerry must work together to fix the problem before the planet falls apart. Chapter 2: The Gravity Gauntlet. Tom and Jerry race through the planet, trying to find a way to restore gravity. They encounter floating boulders, upside-down waterfalls, and even a giant alien hamster running on a wheel to keep the planet spinning. Jerry uses his tiny size to sneak into a hidden cave, where he finds a glowing crystal that controls the planet's gravity. But just as he's about to grab it, a mischievous alien baby snatches it and starts playing with it like a toy. Tom and Jerry chase the baby through a series of hilarious obstacles, including a trampoline field and a maze of floating bubbles. Finally, Jerry distracts the baby with a piece of cheese while Tom grabs the crystal and places it back in its rightful spot. The planet's gravity is restored, and the aliens cheer. They reward Tom and Jerry with a shiny spaceship upgrade, a hyperspeed booster. Chapter 3: The Black Hole Blunder. Back in space, Tom and Jerry decide to test their new hyperspeed booster. Tom presses the button, and the spaceship zooms forward at lightning speed, but they accidentally fly too close to a black hole. The spaceship gets sucked into the black hole, and Tom and Jerry find themselves in a strange, upside-down dimension. Everything is topsy-turvy, and the laws of physics don't seem to apply. In this dimension, they meet a group of antimatter aliens who are the exact opposites of Tom and Jerry. Anti-Tom is calm and clever, while Anti-Jerry is clumsy and loud. The antimatter aliens warn them that they need to escape before the dimension collapses. Tom and Jerry must solve a series of mind-bending puzzles to find the exit. At one point, Jerry has to navigate a maze while Tom operates levers to open doors. They finally make it to the exit, but just as they're about to leave, Anti-Tom and Anti-Jerry decide to join them for a little fun. Chapter 4: The Galactic Cheese Heist. Back in their own dimension, Tom and Jerry discover that their spaceship is running low on fuel. They land on a nearby planet called Fromage 9, which is entirely made of cheese.